to Mom's Trini Cooking. Today I will be making one of my most requested recipes, Sada Roti. If you want to see how I make my Sada Roti, keep watching. Today I will be making 4 medium-sized Sada Rotis. For this recipe you will need 4 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of yeast, 2 teaspoons of oil, vegetable oil, and some flour on the side for dusting. The water is lukewarm and you'll need 2 1/3 cup of lukewarm water. So now I'm going to add all my dry ingredients to the flour and just mix it together like this. That's it, that's all the mixing that you need here. And then you're going to add the water and incorporate it like this. You mix it as you go along. See, it's getting nice and soft here, look at that. So you're going to add all the water. So you want to mix this mixture until it incorporates everything together there, and then you're going to be kneading it to get it nice and smooth where it wouldn't have any lumps. This is what it will look like when you start. So I'm going to knead it together here now and to get it nice and smooth. So I'm going to add some of the oil that I have here, just a few drops at a time. You're going to knead like this. It's coming together and it's getting nice and smooth. So I've been kneading it for about 3 to 5 minutes and it's almost ready. I'll show you how it should look when it's finished. I'm going to just roll it together like this here. Just pull it in like this, like you're making one big ball here. And you can dust it with, see, it's nice and smooth. Look at it, nice and smooth, and you can pull it like that, nice. And just sprinkle a little flour for dusting on it and leave it. And I'm going to put a saran wrap over it like this. Just to cover the flour itself, and then cover it with my cloth. So that's it, and we'll let it sit here for maybe 10 or 15 minutes, and then I'll be making the loya from it. It will make 4, like I said, or the dough balls, whichever one. In Trinidad we call it loya. So my dough has been sitting for about 15 minutes. I'm going to go and roll out my loya and them now, and I'll show you each step as I go along. So you see, it's nice. It raised a little bit here. It's nice, soft. See that? Smooth and silky looking. So it could be easy if you would just want to section it off like this. You know, you're getting 4 medium size, and just one piece at a time like this. This is one, and this is what you do. You just sprinkle a little flour on it here, like this, and just roll. You put like this. You put your hand in, press it in, like this. See how I'm rolling it, but not rough, just very gentle, like this. And then you bring it up like this on the bottom. That's it. You put some flour. That's it. That's one. Nice. Roll and tuck in. Roll. Press in, and then you come like this to close, like you're closing it in like this. Just a little flour of dust in here. Roll and tap. Easy, bring it up like this. That's it. And this will be sitting for another 10 or 15 minutes or a little bit longer if you want. If you're busy doing stuff and you want to leave it for a bit, that's fine. And then let it sit for that time, and then I'll show you how I roll it out and cook it. So I'm going to cover it again with my saran wrap and with a cloth. You can use a damp tea towel also if you wish, if your place is on the more warm side. Now I'm going to cook my roti. I'm going to roll it out. I just put some flour on it so that it doesn't stick to the board or my chowki. And I'm going to roll it out. The shape doesn't matter, it's the same. We all try to get it round, but we'll see if I get it round or not. So I'm going to bail it out, and then I'm going to put it on the tower. So this is how it should look. I bail it as round as I can get it. I'm going to flip it now so that it rolls, or you can bail it evenly. I'm going to take it to my tower now. The tower is nice and hot, and keep it at medium heat. So I'm going to put the roti on now. Just like this. You can move it up a little bit like this. And when you start to see the bubbles that is coming up on it, then you can flip it for evenly cooking. See, it's coming up there, all the bubbles. So let it get a little more, a couple seconds more. I'm gonna flip it now. Flipping it, I go like this. And you can leave that there, maybe I would say like a minute or so, then turn it again. I'm going to turn it one more time on the side. So I'm going to pull my tower out so I can get the heat on the side there for seking the roti to get it all swell everywhere. It may not, it doesn't always, but I'm hoping mine does. See, it's starting to swell there. See, sometimes when you tin it, it may get a little hole somewhere in it. It would not swell if it gets out. So that's the most it's going to do. So I'm going to take it off now. It's all done. Take the stove off. I'm going to bring it to my chowki. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to show you what it'll look like. It's really hot here. See? Here's my Sada Roti. Thanks to all my subscribers who requested that I make Sada Roti. Hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.